Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe for organic homemade colors without any chemicals or preservatives. And these are eco-friendly and safe to skin as well. These colors I made from scratch with materials that is easily available in everyone's kitchen. Maybe that's the reason there is a saying that our kitchen is our science lab and mother is the best scientist. So before getting into our recipe, if you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Today in this video, I showed different methods and different ways. So watch the video till the end to know all the different ways as each color is prepared in each different method. To start with the first color, here I have taken one beetroot and I am slicing the beetroot into small pieces. We don't have to peel the beetroot. So transfer all the beetroot into a blender and blend this. Here add little water and blend it again. We got the smooth paste of beetroot. Now transfer this beetroot paste to a bowl and add 1/4 cup of cornstarch and mix it very well. You can adjust the quantity of corn flour according to your requirement, but the consistency should be like this, just as shown here. Now allow this to dry. After a few hours it is dried but still it is wet. Now allow this to dry completely under sun until this little wetness is also gone from this. Here you can see it is completely dried and the color is also light in color. Now transfer this to a mixie jar and make into a fine powder. Here our color with the beetroot is ready. As it is completely sun dried, this powder will stay for a long time also. Now let's see the second method. So in this second method, here I have this purple cabbage. Cut this purple cabbage into small pieces like this and transfer to a saucepan. Add little water so that the cabbage is immersed in water and allow this to boil on medium flame. Here you can see the color started leaving. Allow this to cook on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Here you can see after 5 minutes this color is completely changed and the water is also thick. At this point switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Once it is completely cooled, strain through a strainer and take the liquid. Here you can see bright color water is ready. And now transfer the cornstarch to a plate and mix along with this colored water. After mixing the cornstarch with this colored water, the consistency of the liquid should be like this. Now allow this to dry and after few hours, here you can see this became very thick. Now I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and I am making this into more thick. Here you can see it is little dry. Now allow this to sun dry. Here you can see this is completely sun dried without any moisture. So now transfer this powder to a mixie jar and blend it into smooth powder. Here you can see with this fine purple color powder is ready and this is very safe and eco-friendly as well. As it's completely sun dried without any moisture, it will stay for longer time. For third method, here I am using turmeric powder. I mix this turmeric powder with a little amount of water and made into smooth paste. Then I added 1/4 cup of cornstarch and mixed both together. Here I didn't add much water, so I just added little water that is required to mix the turmeric powder. Now transfer this to a plate and allow this also to sun dry. Here you can see this powder is also sun dried without any moisture. So now transfer to the mixie jar and blend it into fine powder. Here you can see fine powder is ready. As this powder is also sun dried without any moisture, this also will stay for longer period. Now for the fourth method and fourth color, take carrot and slice into small pieces and transfer to a mixie jar. Now blend these carrots. Now add little amount of water and blend this again to a smooth paste. Here you can see the smooth carrot paste is ready. To this paste add cornstarch and give it a good mix. Once the cornstarch is completely mixed, the consistency should be like this. Now transfer to a plate and allow this to dry. After 1-2 hours, now crumble this and mix along so that it is completely sun dried. This mixing in between helps in a complete drying without any moisture. After few hours, here you can see this is completely dried without any moisture. Now transfer to a mixie jar and blend it into smooth powder. Here you can see nice orange or a peach colored powder is ready, that is made with carrots. As this powder is also completely sun dried, this will stay for longer time. Now for the fifth method and fifth color, here chop the cilantro and transfer to a mixie jar and blend this into smooth paste. Now add little water and blend it again. Now transfer the smooth paste of cilantro paste into a mixing bowl and add cornstarch. Now give a good mix so that cornstarch combines with the cilantro paste. Here you can see the consistency should be like this. Now transfer to a plate and allow it to dry. After 2 hours, mix and crumble so that it will be evenly dried. Here after crumbling and mixing, now allow this to sun dry, and after it is sun dried, here you can see the color is also reduced, and now transfer to the mixie jar. Now blend this into fine powder. Here you can see nice green color is ready. As it is completely sun dried, all the moisture is evaporated and this will stay for longer time. Here you can see how smooth it is. Now for the last method, here I have this Wilton Food colors. These are gel colors, so I am using this color to make a holy color. Now take a big pinch of this color and mix with water. This Wilton Food colors I generally use for frosting the cakes. Now mix the cornstarch and give it a good mix so that cornstarch combines with this gel color. Here you can see the consistency should be like this. Now transfer to a plate and allow this to dry. After 1-2 hours, crumble and mix it so that the color is evenly dried from all sides. Now allow this to sun dry again for a longer time. After it is completely dried without any moisture, transfer to a mixie jar and blend it into smooth powder. Here you can see fine and smooth blue colored powder is ready. All these colors that I showed here in this video today are eco-friendly, organic, homemade colors without any chemicals or preservatives, and these are very safe to skin as well. So friends, please try making this eco-friendly, organic, homemade colors and play safe Holi, as they are 100% safe than the store-bought colors. So please give it a try and do let me know in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.